Nev, disappointing defeat, but coming to TNS, never going to be an easy game.
That's right, Steve. You know, we always knew it was going to be a difficult game tonight, and you give credit to TNS, they had a class side, but you know, we had a game plan, and the first 15 minutes the lads executed it well, but as you say, we conceded one, and then the second goal, and when you do that at the TNS, you know it's going to be a long night, and so it proved. You know, we give away sloppy goals really, and we got punished, but you know, we won't be the first and we won't be the last team that come here and concede that many goals, so we can't be too down about it. You know, we'll try and take a few positives out of the game and move on to Ballard on Saturday.
Is this, coming to TNS, is this one of the games where you've just got to put behind you and just move on as quickly as possible?
I think so. You know, they're a good side, and they're way above any other club in the league, and especially on their own patch. You know, as you say, we come here and we try to be positive with the two lads up front, but it didn't work tonight. Sometimes it does. You know, tonight it didn't, and we've conceded poor goals. But as you say, it's all about picking the lads up now and looking forward to the live game on Saturday against Bala.
With TNS being full-time, fitness very different. Did that show tonight?
Well, the fitness, they move the ball so quick. They've got runners from everywhere, and you know, the game's easy from the touchline. But when you're on the pitch and they're moving the ball that quick, it's a difficult job for the players to do. So you know, we've got no complaints about it. The lads give us 120% and work their socks off, and we've come up short. You know what I mean? We've conceded a few bad goals, and but as you say, we've got to put it behind us. And you know, credit to TNS. They were 5-star tonight, and they put their defeat on Saturday behind them with beating us by the 6 tonight.
Is it good that the game on Saturdays coming around quickly?
Yeah, but, you know, it's our season. As I said before, it's not going to be determined what we do against TNS and Connaskey. But as you say, it's you know, it's the teams around us that we want to be beating, and as you say, it'll be a tough game against Bala because they're a big club in themselves. So we'll have to dust ourselves down and make sure the lads are not too downhearted after tonight's defeat, and take the positives into Saturday and have a real go with them.